How to fix messages that you fail on Instagram app. Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the message that you fail problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps, open the apps manager right here as you can see, and then you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading as you can see right now, and then scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, and then click on this force stop option right here, click on the storage and wait a few seconds. It will start computing, and then click on clear data, clear cache, and now all what you want to do is go back and restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.